clocking that game. Everyone's a winner, we're making our fame. Bonafide hustler, making my name. All I wanna do is take your money. 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 Pirates, skulls and bones, sticks and stones and weed and bombs, running when we hit 'em. Lethal poison for the system. Pirates, skulls and bones, sticks and stones and weed and bombs, running when we hit 'em. Lethal poison for the system. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner, prepaid wireless. We pack and deliver like UPS trucks. Already going hell, just pumping that gas. No one on the corner has swagger like us. Hit me on my banner, prepaid wireless. We pack and deliver like UPS trucks. Already going hell, just pumping that gas. All I wanna It's what you do. It's what you think.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a good day. Man, I'm tired of shit, the coffee ain't here yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that day. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Come on, pay for me, I'm about to hit my drop, cash in, one ticket, I'm on another trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all, and this is just the beginning.
You can tell she's a princess. She doesn't need a crown. You can tell she's a princess. She'll turn the world around. You can see it in her style. You can see it in her smile. tell she's a princess. She doesn't need a crown. You can tell she's a princess. She'll turn the world around. Her shoulders are back. Nah, nah, nah. You'll never see her slack. No, no, no. And even if she falls, nah, 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 she'll laugh and stand up tall. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can tell she's a princess. Yeah, yeah. She doesn't need a crown. You can tell she's a princess. Yeah, yeah. She'll turn the world around. But the secret to her majesty that sets the girl apart is the kindness that shows royalty. It's etched upon her heart. You can tell she's a princess.
You can see it in her style.
She doesn't need a crown.
See it in her smile.
You can tell she's a princess.
You can see it in her flair.
She'll turn the world around.
The way she wears her hair.
Tell she's a princess. You can see it in her style. She doesn't need a crown. You can see it in her smile. You can tell she's a princess. You can see it in her flair. She'll turn the world round, 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 round. You can tell she's a princess. She doesn't need a crown. When I was young, I played for fun, made up the words nobody heard. But now I see all eyes on me, and suddenly I'm in a dream. I got a feeling now everything's right somehow. Here I am, being who I want, giving what I got, never a doubt now. Here I go, burning like a spark, light up the dark I wake up in the morning like the Duchess says, when you gonna live your life right? I know she thinks that I'm the fortunate one, but princesses wanna have fun. Oh, princesses wanna have, that's all I really want, is have fun. When the royal day is done, oh, princesses wanna have fun. I'm stepping up, right to the top. That's how I'm wired. I'll take it higher. the dark again. We just wanna, yeah, yeah. We just wanna, princesses wanna have fun. Here I am, we just wanna give it what I got. We just wanna down now. Here I go, we just wanna, princesses wanna again, again, To be a princess is to know which spoon to use. To be a princess is 1,000 pairs of shoes. Have your breakfast served in bed. Wear some diamonds on your head. Get a foot massage and mani-pedi too. To be a princess is to live a dream come true. Curtsy when princes come to call. Wear a new gown to every ball. All through the day there's just one way you must behave. Pose with a feather in your hat. Stretch on a golden yoga mat. Bend from above and always wear your gloves and wave. Shoulders back and tummy in and pinky out and lift the chin and slowly turn your head from side to side. Breathing gently, stepping lightly, smile brightly, not politely. Do everything you do with pride. Glide. To be a princess is to wear your family crest. To be a princess is to always do your best. To be a pop star is to know which mic to use. To be a pop star is to not fall off your shoes. To rehearse until it's right. Give a great show every night. And the room service with anything you choose. To be a pop star is to love your great reviews. Taking the latest fashion show. Fly for a lunch to Mexico. No time for friends except your dog and your guitar. Tweet everyone your latest news. Sit for 1,000 interviews. Love every fan no matter how bizarre they are. Here's the camera, there's a camera, and a camera, and a camera, and another autograph to sign. Love gear up. Change your clothes and straight up pose and work the crowd and take a bow and don't forget to post it all online. Shine. To be a pop star is to never act your age. To be a pop star is to make the world your stage. Oh. Shoulders back and strike a pose and pinky out and change your clothes and slowly turn your head from side to side. I see now. Here's a camera, stepping lightly. There's a camera, not politely. Do everything you do with pride. Glide. To be a princess is to always do your best. To be a pop star is to leave them all impressed.
What do you think? I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.